#1 rule in my family: honor your
monkey.
Luckily, I don't have
My fist!
spontaneous cartwheel. Oh, crap.
You're dead.
Not to brag, but being 365 means I'm officially a
Adorable parasitic tapeworm. Are you on drugs?
Avengers! Assemble.
You're 10 minutes late. What happened? Are you hurt? Today, honor student. Tomorrow,
Jesus.
UN general. Are you hungry? 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 Are you general?
Jesus.
How was school today?
Oh, hello there, Chad. What? You're a female? Did I stutter?
Give me cocaine!
Get your butt down here now!
What's your profanity?
What? You put
Do
these...
not.
Huh? What? Oh. Huh? Mimi, what is this?
It's nothing, just the boy. He's
A
no one.
boy? Who is he? How old are you? 30?
I don't know, you flesh bags age differently, I guess.
See? See? This is what happens when you do drugs all day. She's just a sweet, innocent.
Parasitic tapeworm.